guys, Ceiling Fans Rock. Today I have a Regency Oasis ceiling fan. This is in the black finish. I got the ceiling fan at Light and Day Lighting. This is my first Regency fan. I got this in back in 2016. May 2016, I guess. It did have some motor problems. I think the problem was probably the motor noise, so that's why they probably sent it back. Probably the one outside, and I guess they just took it back, so it was the motor noise. This is my first Regency fan. There are also other Regency fans up there. If I find any other Regency fans, I'll probably show them to you. I'll show you what the Regency. Here's the Regency Oasis. This one black, white, and some other finishes like that. It's got black beads on both sides. Well, it has their sides just the side up, just like stainless steel to be able to see well. Here's the top, and by the way, if you're wondering where that thing came from, I took it off because it was hard to get it up there, so that's why I took it off. So, Regency tag there. You can see on the whole chain. Well, this fan works fine except for the motor. So, well, motor's fine, but it's just noisy. So, anyways, here's law. Just medium. That's off. There. Here's medium. Does wobble. Blows a lot of air. I do have some Regency catalogs, so I'm trying to show you the things with the Regency catalogs, what they look like. Here's high. See there, go there. But that fan's going fast right there. I'll show you that in the next video here. Well, there's a lot of air on this one. Probably as fast as the Westinghouse. Spinner. I'll probably have enough fans. It's summer. If I get too hot, I'll probably run all these fans in here. Now off. Is off. That's it. That's my Regency Oasis. Thank you for watching. So this came with all parts of the new box. So yeah.